Guys, this is Steve with Momentum. What's going on, guys? This is Steve with Momentum Marketing Tips Group, and we're going to talk about a video strategy that you can use in your business. It's really simple. I'm also going to show you a tool that you can use that's really simple that will help you in marketing and just actually disseminating information to other people. So we're gonna go through that. It's gonna be a quick video. I'm gonna give it a couple seconds. So if anybody wants to jump on, they can. Let me know if you can hear me well. You should be able to. Feel free to put a comment in the comment box. Hit the like button, and we're gonna jump right into the training. All right. So obviously, a lot of you probably are familiar with video marketing. So I'm not really going to go into why you should be marketing with video. There are several stats that back that up that say that you should be using or leveraging video in your marketing. What I really want to just show you today is a tool that you can use that's actually going to help you do that. Okay, and this tool is 100% free. It works really well. It syncs with Google. So I think you're gonna like this. Okay. So let's jump over to it. So the tool is called, let's type it in here. Tool is called Loom. So that's Loom, Loom. Okay. The reason I like this tool is because it allows you to record your screen. And it also allows you to take that recording and share it, right? So I can share the recording. Let's just take give you an example of one here. I could take this recording that I'm going to click on here and I could hit share and I could actually share it on Facebook. What I really like about this is that you can take this, click that share button and go to Gmail. Okay. And if I needed to share that video directly to a person, then all I have to do is come up here and put in the email address, right? Just send it to myself for now. And just that quickly, I've sent them a direct video of me. Okay. And I'm going to go through how this works. Um, Let me see so I can show you. So there we go. They get a direct link to the video that you just shared to them. Okay. Now, you're probably saying, okay, that's a pretty, cool trick or cool software to have. But if you have presentations, if you have PowerPoints, if you have articles, blog articles, what you can do a lot of times is narrate, walk people through those articles, and it's a lot more engaging content than just obviously a long form text or long form sales letter when they actually have audio and visual to go along with the content. Okay. So again, all you have to do to hook this up is go to useloom.com and it's going to give you this free tool. Now, the other way that you can use, one of the ways you can use Loom is that you can actually do it with email. So I'm going to give you an example here. I already started an email out that I was going to send out today. Okay. And on this email, it's just, talks about what we're talking about right now. And what I'm going to do is I typed the email up, gave it a good headline. You always want to keep your headlines very conversational. Don't make them too professional or unless someone is looking for that. You want the number one goal of email is to first get them to open the email. Okay, so you're going to send the email out. As you can see, I have my email text, my email copy here, and then it says right below, I always want to make this a link so it's clickable. Okay, and give me just a second here. Let me copy it. We're going to do this in real time. We'll copy it, the link. And again, when they click this link after they open the email, it's going to send them right to the video. Now, again, I usually will put something like watch video and then bold it, simply because I don't want to put like a long text of, a URL that's so long that people are hesitant to click on it. So this will send them directly to the video we just pointed out. Now, this particular video was about installing Facebook pixels, but I'm going to send them to a video where I explain that in detail instead of writing a really, really long uh, email about this. Okay. So as you can see, short email, I send them to a link to video because I want them to hear my voice. I want them to see my screen. I want them to understand what I'm doing. All right. So now I'm just going to hit save. Okay. We have, we'll just do broadcast FB pixel. Just so I remember what the name of this broadcast is, I'm going to send it now. And what's going to happen is they're going to start receiving that email and they get a link directly to this video right here where I'm explaining exactly how to install Facebook pixels and manage ads and ad campaigns. Okay. So is that easy once I've recorded my video. Now, as you can see right here, this particular video, I have a picture of me talking and explaining it as well as the actual screen. But I can also do the video where I'm not sharing my face. I'm just sharing the screen. I'm just narrating it. We call that over the shoulder style training. You'll see that a lot with digital courses. Um, in my digital course, that's how I teach. A lot of times you'll see me in the corner and you'll see the screen. And sometimes you'll just see the screen if I really want you to focus on what we're going over at that particular time. Okay. Now, the other great thing I'm going to show you is you can download. After you record the video, it gives you the option to download. Obviously, if we've gone over, you can share to Facebook, Twitter. You can share a link to where you can just directly copy that link. Now, this is what I like too. Now, if I hit linked GIF, let's do linked GIF. Okay. I copy this thumbnail. Now, you can see how this looks. Now, check this out. I compose it. I'm going to send it to myself so you guys can see how this looks. Right now, I hit paste. And now they get an email that looks like this. Instead of just getting a text or a link, look at how this email looks. Now imagine getting an email from someone that looks like this. I'll wait for it. Oh, that's the wrong one. There we go. It looks like this. So I've got how to install a Facebook pixel, and then I've got the actual preview image embedded into email. I think that is huge for open rate. A lot of times you send email, it's okay. I'm not open rate. I'm sorry, click through rate. You can get it to open, but it's hard to get people to click because they don't kind of know where that link is taking them. With this, when they click on this, it's going to still take them to the same video, but they can see beforehand what they're going to get. So it's very, very powerful here. I hope you guys will use Loom in your marketing. Okay. Again, if you have any questions on how to use this, the main thing we talked about, you can download videos, you can share on social media, um, and you can record for long periods. I mean, I've done hour-long trainings using Loom. I can actually set the privacy setting to, if I want, let's say if I had a 2-hour training and I wanted to sell that training to someone, I could record it, I could give it a password, and then when I sell my training, I can just give the person I sold it to the password, and I can sell them a direct digital asset or digital product. So I hope you guys get a lot out of this training. This is a very, very powerful tool. A lot of marketers don't really talk about it as much, but it's very powerful. So let me know if you all have any questions on this. Okay. Let's see if we have any questions in the chat. But yeah, I mean, you want to use this with your email. You can even use this internally with your employees or your VAs or whatever. You need to show them something, record it on your screen, save it, take that link right here. Okay. Take that link right here, email them that recording and say, hey, I need you to do this for me really quickly in your email. And it's going to send them the video. I mean, it's extremely time saving. I think you guys will fall in love with this software if you haven't already. Um, and that's pretty much what I wanted to cover today. Remember, you can always reach out to me if you're interested um, in our course, Online Revenue Mastery. Again, we teach on how to master all the social media platforms, using them to generate leads and clients for your business. Okay. So now a lot of you are not at the point where you can, for example, you feel like you don't want to outsource to an agency yet. That should be your goal, to do that so you can focus primarily on your business. But if you aren't at that point, it's understandable. Invest in the course. Again, especially now, it's on sale for $67. It's normally $300. It's on sale for $67. So if you can invest $67 in your business, I highly recommend you do it. If you're interested, just shoot me a message or put in the comments interested, and I'll send you the information on how to get started with that. But I want you guys to take this tool, Loom, and then put it into your marketing and let it help you be more efficient. All right. So hope you guys have a great Tuesday, and I will talk to you later. I got to get back to it.